many things, Hiccup, but a dragon killer is not one of them. Get back to that.
Comparison.